Welcome friends. In today's session, we are going to see the Python Lab Program. That is question number 1B. Develop a program to read the name and year of birth of a person. Display whether the person is a senior citizen or not. So let's open our VS Code. So this was the previous code. You can go through the previous video and just if you are facing any doubts or any errors, make sure to comment within the video. I will be responding to those all. So let's take for the second, that is question number 1B. I'll click on the new file and you can see program name you need to enter. I will enter it as program 1b.py. So make sure .py is the extension for the code. So we need to take the user name from the user. So name input, here name is the variable, input is a function, and here we will type enter your name. And we will take the year of birth, and it must be in the int form. And we will take the input statement as enter year of birth. Okay, this much is the taking the inputs from the user. After this, we need to calculate the age. So age can be calculated by subtracting the year of birth from the current year. So we will take the current year as 2026 and we will take age is equals to current year minus year of birth. And then we will just print this age. So I'll just give here your age is, and we will just give here age. So this will print the age of a person. And now finally we need to check for the citizenship. For that we need to take the statement as if age is greater than or equal to 60, then indentation, within that we will be taking here as print name, you are a senior citizen. So make sure to take the indentations properly or else you may face the errors. And if this statement is this condition is not satisfying, then it should print name, you are not a senior citizen. Okay. Now let me just briefly explain this part in short. So you can see here name is a variable, input function we are taking, enter your name, it will be prompting to enter the name. Once the user enters the name, it will be saved in the name variable. Then year of the birth is a second variable where input is taken from the user and it is converted to the int format. And then here current year we have declared as, that is we are assigned current year as 2026. Then age will be calculated by subtracting the year of birth from the current year. Then your age is printed, the age calculated will be printed here. And here is the senior citizen or not statement, that is for if we are using if conditional statement, if else. If this part, that is if this condition is true, then only it will print this part, else it will be printing this part, that is if this condition doesn't satisfy, if a person's age is less than 60, then it will be printing this part. So let's run the code. So I'll just name here as Ram, and we will give the birth year as 2005. You can see 21-year. Ram, you are not a senior citizen. Now let me run it once again, and let me just name it as Sujay. And here birth year I will be giving 1947. So you can see your age is 79. Sujay, you are a senior citizen. So we are done with the program. And if you are facing any problem or any issues, or you want any clarification on any of the topic in the Python, just let me know. I will be making the separate video for that. And stay tuned with me for the further updates of the next videos on the next labs. Thank you for watching.